Do you know that volcanoes are formed by the movement of tectonic plates and the release of pressure from the Earth's core? Welcome to the series of Crazy Chemistry. Here, Miss Mutahara from Acelab. Today, we are going to simulate the volcanic eruption using a simple experiment. For this purpose, you need a red pigment, citric acid, baking soda, beaker, water, and a mountain piece. Here we have all the apparatus. First, put a mountain piece into a tray so that your lava just flow into this tray, not outside. First, add few drops of red pigment in water. Now, add full teaspoon of baking soda into the whole of mountain piece. Then add the same quantity of citric acid into it. Mix it well. Now it's time to pour the red water into it. Are you ready? Let's go. Whew. You can see a lot of bubbles are coming up. This is not the actual lava. If it's not, then what is it? Now your turn to tell us what is actually happening behind it. There is a same chemical reaction that you have experienced in self-inflating balloon experiment. Now it's your time to explore this experiment. Stay curious and keep exploring. Bye bye.